Only customizing a supercar cost millions of dollars. Buying an entire private island and a house so expensive that it will make your head spin. These are just some of the craziest expenses of the richest YouTubers in the world. These YouTubers earn so much money every month that they spend even more than billionaires. For example, the thing you see beside the pool cost to hide as much as Paul's entire house. There are only three of them in the world, and Jack reportedly paid around $1.2 million for it. But if you think that astronaut statue is the most shocking thing, then take a look at the entire house. Jack jokingly named this mansion Taj Mahal. This 12,800 square foot compound. The house is so huge that you would probably need a map just to walk around inside it. And this royal lifestyle comes with a royal price. Jack reportedly spent around $16 million on this house, all around from his content. He wants a 66-million-year-old Triceratops dinosaur skull worth around $1.5 million. Instead of being in a museum, it's displayed right inside his living room. Logan is also obsessed with Pokemon cards. In 2022, he got scammed after spending $3.5 million on fake cards.
Oh my god, bro. You gotta go! You gotta go!
But he did not stop there. Just 6 months later, he bought the world's most valuable Pokemon card, the Pikachu Illustrator, for around $5.3 million. And yes, he wears it around his neck like a chain. While Logan shows off rare collectibles, PewDiePie travels in style. While moving to Japan, his dog Edgar became too heavy to fly commercially. So PewDiePie booked a private jet that reportedly cost around $80,000. Now let's talk about high speed. He accidentally spent over $220,000 on a rare Roblox item. Only someone with unlimited money as someone completely crazy could do that. YouTuber Jet HP once bought the world's most expensive pen for $110,000, and surprisingly it to look completely ordinary. Now let's look at unscriptable. He bought a MrBeast mansion built on a private island just to film videos. The house includes 5 bedrooms, a movie theater, game rooms, and even a giant lake surround the property. The dream mansion reportedly cost him around $2.9 million. Case Eyes is another YouTuber who loves luxury jewelry. He spent around $150,000 just for a nameplate chain. He also wants a diamond covered Rolex worth around $200,000. And his favorite piece is a custom Dragon Ball Virus chain worth $500,000. Tech YouTubers Marcus Brownlee bought a limited edition Gucci Xbox for around $10,000. Another tech creator, Mr. Gulzov, spent $170,000 on the gold plate smartphone. The phone contains nearly 1 kilogram of pure gold. Kaisian even bought an extra house just to store his stuff. He also spent $110,000 on a real Iron Man suit with lights and sound effects. But nobody spent money like Mr. Beast. He said each of his videos costs almost as much as making a movie. Some videos reportedly have budget of over $2.5 million. He spent hundreds of thousands on luxury vacations, private jets, and even gift away houses and islands for free. Mr. Beast also owns three massive studios filled with props, money trucks, and production sets. The entire setup reportedly cost around $4 million. At this point, he flips. He's not competing with other YouTubers anymore. He's competing with Netflix itself. Hello viewers, if you like my video, please don't forget like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.